Why planting more trees actually makes climate change worse. The Paulownia Leapfrog framework. Everyone thinks we need to plant more trees to fight deforestation. Here's why that's completely wrong, and why most $50 million reforestation projects actually increase CO2 emissions for the first 20 years. The data that big traditional forestry groups do not want you to see. Behind-the-scenes lesson. The data from a $50 million reforestation project in Brazil. Thousands of acres, millions of trees planted. The CEO was proud, but here's what the carbon audit revealed. Net positive CO2 emissions for 18 years. Why? Soil disruption from planting released more carbon than the saplings could absorb. The machinery, transportation, and tree mortality meant they were actually accelerating climate change. That's when I realized we're not fighting deforestation wrong because we're not planting enough. We're fighting it wrong because we're planting too slow. The Leapfrog framework. Step 1. Speed math. The Leapfrog framework starts with speed math. The world loses 4,500 acres hourly. Traditional trees take 20 years to break even on carbon. That's 788 million acres lost before your trees help. Step 2. Efficiency multiplier. Step 2. Deploy efficiency multipliers. Paulownia sequesters carbon from day 1, reaches maturity in 3 to 5 years, and delivers 15x the carbon impact per acre. Same land, exponentially faster results. Step 3. Infrastructure thinking. Step 3. Think infrastructure, not charity. We only need 300 acres of Paulownia per hour to counter 4,500 acres per hour of deforestation. That's not tree planting, that's carbon infrastructure deployment. Industry insight with data. Here's the industry data nobody talks about. 73% of corporate reforestation projects show negative carbon impact in years 1 to 5. But our verified data shows 47.4 metric tons CO2 sequestered per acre annually from year 1. While traditional projects spend 2 decades catching up to carbon neutral, Paulownia infrastructure is removing carbon faster than forests are disappearing. The uncomfortable truth: more tree planting isn't the answer. Faster carbon infrastructure is. We're not trying to replant what we lost. We're deploying what works at the speed of crisis. Relationship builder and firm action. What's the biggest reforestation myth you've believed? That more is better? That any tree helps? Comment below. I read every response. If you're ready to deploy carbon infrastructure instead of planting hope, we're happy to organize a time to speak with you about the Leapfrog framework. Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com.